For those living with a very high degree of insulin resistance, some fruits can make it challenging to stay in range after a fruit-based meal. But this is only at first. And greens can help you now, and non-starchy vegetables can help you now, and eating slowly helps, and moving your body. Just know that you are in control and you can take steps to enjoy fruit right now. As you adapt to a higher percentage of fruits, along with other plants and whole foods, these natural sources of sugars can be the foundation of a diet with many long-term health benefits and easy to control blood glucose levels. So let's get into it. First, fruits have a lower risk of pretty much all complications. In most cases, fruits are something you can eat ad libitum, or as much as you want with no risk of long-term chronic disease. In fact, the research shows that they improve your long-term health, including as a method of diabetes management and weight loss treatment for obesity. These results have been proven time and time again, and have also been shown to reduce your risk for a number of different conditions. This isn't true for meats and processed foods, which can increase your risk for heart disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure, cancer, and all-cause mortality. Fruits are also great for your blood glucose levels. As we mentioned above, fruits provide a steady and consistent source of energy that your liver, muscles, and brain process over a longer period of time than added sugars. In the long run, this makes it easier to manage your blood glucose and maintain a good time in range because the increase and decrease will happen over a longer, more steady period of time. And all of these health benefits are without even getting into the specific nutrient values of different fruits. Obviously, every fruit is different, from the super powerful amla berry that doesn't taste so good to the delicious mangoes that people all over the world enjoy on a regular basis. However, most fruits have a few things in common. They're incredibly high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps reduce oxidative stress and improve your immunity and overall health. They're packed with key minerals like potassium, iron, and a whole range of other key vitamins. Fruits have a high fiber content, which has been proven in multiple studies to improve your overall health and reduce your risk for disease. Quite a few benefits of fruit, right? You can see why we're so supportive of these amazing plants.
This video was just a snippet of a much more in-depth discussion. Click on the link on the screen to check out the full-length episode. Now, the science behind health is overly complicated, unfortunately, but getting healthy doesn't have to be. Visit masteringdiabetes.org/start. Answer some questions about yourself and schedule a free consultation to talk with somebody on our team who's going to show you exactly how we've transformed the lives of thousands of people using the Mastering Diabetes method. We have a limited number of spots available, and that's why it's imperative to find a good fit. Again, visit masteringdiabetes.org/start to schedule a free zero commitment discovery call and start taking control of your health today.